Good morning. Today is Thursday, November 13th, 2025. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina. This is the Unnamed SeaRay at slip D16. We were told that a separate company came out about 2 weeks ago to clean it. So I'm just doing an inspection, seeing if their job holds up, and also updating the zincs, which I will do at the end of the video. Okay, so as far as zincs go, you have two R4 trim tab zincs. You have one DP612 transom zinc, and you have two 1 3/4 inch shaft zincs. You do need two of the shaft zincs as soon as possible. As far as the cleaning goes, there is a lot of hair growth, which, it's been 2 weeks that, that's kind of a given. But the amount of hard growth and big barnacles, especially on the transom and the trim tabs, that's something that's not normal. So I'm going to go ahead and send this video to Dane, and he can contact you and let you know everything that I've seen.